And welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is really a delight and it's something which is very simple to make them. So it's a super simple recipe like I said, and the end result is simply delicious. So let's just dive straight into today's recipe. So let's see the recipe. So here I've taken about half a cup of Chana Dal, and I'm going to wash it well under some running water, at least thrice. First, you'll find that the water is very milky or murky. So till you get some clear water, you need to wash this Chana Dal well. And then we're going to soak this in about 2 cups of water for at least 3 to 4 hours. The Chana Dal needs to soak for at least 2 to 3 hours or 3 to 4 hours. Now after 3 to 4 hours, we're going to drain all that water, and then we're going to add this to a pan, and we're going to add 2 cups of water, and we're going to bring this to a boil. Now I'm also going to add my cashew nuts at this point. Now you will get this thick, foamy, white kind of layer on the top of the mixture, so keep removing that, ensuring that neither the dal nor the cashew nuts come into that, only the whitish soapy water. You need to remove all that. Now the dal is cooked well, so for checking it, you just take one of the grains of the dal and you just have to press the dal and between your thumb and your forefinger, and you will notice that it easily crushes up like this. That means your dal is ready. So now we can add this rice paste that I've prepared. I've just taken the rice flour, added a little bit of water, and I'm just going to whisk it to get a nice smooth kind of paste. So what this rice paste does is it also gives this Vorne a little bit of thickness rather than a watery consistency. Now I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. We're going to mix all of this well. Now I'm going to add my jaggery. Now it was very difficult for me to get Goa jaggery over here. I did try my best, but if you can get Goa jaggery, then the black or the dark brownish color, then please use that. It gives a beautiful taste. I did try in several places, but I was not able to get the Goa jaggery, so I'm just using the regular jaggery that we use at home. Now I'm going to add my rice paste, and we're going to stir this nicely. So now you can see that the mixture has thickened a bit. Now we're just going to add our cardamom powder or elaichi powder. This gives a lovely flavor to this sweet dish. We have to keep on stirring on a low to medium flame. Now you can see how the dal has nicely cooked very, very well. Now it's time to add the thick coconut milk. And we're going to continue stirring. Now once you add the coconut milk, we're just going to let the mixture boil, and once it comes to a boil, we're just going to keep it for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to turn off the heat and let the mixture come to room temperature. And that's it. The Vorne or Soji is ready. You can see how the mixture has thickened up. You can actually see the particles of dal and the cashew nuts also. Now you can transfer this to a serving bowl. Now this quantity that I made is enough for 4 people. So if you want to make more, you can double the quantity. So this you can have piping hot, which I like to, or you can also have it chilled. It tastes great both ways. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.
Voro, urbata aro, vasler utspuro, komando goitzo koro, natsonkit lovoro, urbata aro, vasler utspuro, suglira, nidnama, sanna bore kurun ugrundo laba, suglira, nidnama, sanna bore kurun ugrundo laba. Kole disace Goan fiuri gatazzole Raccera nantam charottat kole disace Goan fiuri gatazzole Festa dis virimis Happy feast muncere chid bangitakis Festa dis virimis Happy feast muncere chid bangitakis Chattara Bagit amche sobit fulla Tui sormus botat sango chattara Festa dis virimis Happy feast muncere chid bangitakis Festa dis virimis Happy feast muncere chid bangitakis Lavoro, urbata aro, vasler utspuro, komando goitzo koro, natsonkit lavoro, urbata aro, vasler utspuro, komando goitzo koro, natsonkit lavoro, urbata aro, vasler utspuro, komando goitzo koro, natsonkit lavoro, urbata aro, vasler utspuro.